Also on the agenda is I'm going to be tuning this clutch fan and adding some oil to it. Got the blade off, or the fan off. Now I just got to take out all these screws and separate it. So this is what it looks like when it's open. You're not going to do anything with this, but where you're going to be adjusting it is going to be these two screws right here. And one way is going to make the spring open sooner. The other way is going to make the spring open later. You're going to pay attention to these notches. These are where the oil is actually going to feed onto this plate and actually cause it to engage. Also went ahead and slapped an extra glob of 10K silicone in it. But right now we're heating up the, getting the heat gun nice and hot. Got it set to 200. And we're going to start heating up the spring and see where it's locking up at. You can actually see the spring starting to open up as I'm heating it up. It's going to spin that inside portion, and these little small holes are like barely any oil, and then the big ones are fully open. Starting to open. Get this one up, there's no issues with it. So what I've done is gone ahead and broken loose these two. They're starting to cool back down, but what you do is you loosen those up, and then you're going to move this plate. It's actually going to slide in here. You can see the way it's going now. But if you move this plate further over that way, these holes are going to open at a sooner time. So mine initially was set right about in the middle. I want it to open sooner, so I'm going to move it forward a little. About like that. Alright, where the radiator going? Alright, now that I got it set, just put my little gasket back in on the top and added a little bit more oil on this and slap it back together.